Estamos em Michigan, estado de Michigan, cidade de Detroit, indo para Fort Lauderdale, na Flórida.
On today's flight, Economy cabin, it'll be our pleasure to offer complimentary Coca-Cola products and dispense your choice of complimentary snacks. Beer, wine, spirits, premium snacks will also be available for purchase. A complete list of our in-flight service offerings is available in Sky Magazine.
Estão começando a aterrissar. Start landing at Fort Lauderdale, ao porto de Fort Lauderdale. Quase encostando no chão, tocando o solo. Está tocando o solo. Welcome to the Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. Bem-vindo ao Fort Lauderdale Hollywood Aeroporto Internacional.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Delta's pleasure to welcome you to the airport serving Fort Lauderdale. You have 10 out, 10:10. Local time is approximately 10:10 Eastern Daylight Time. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, your carrying items stowed till the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. We ask you please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury from any items that may have shifted during flight. You may now use mobile phones and other handheld electronic devices. However, laptop computers may not be used at this time. Before you leave the aircraft, please be sure to check around your seating area, the overhead compartments, the floor area, for any personal articles you may have brought on board. We invite you to visit Delta.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight and managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta, SkyTeam, our global partners, especially this Detroit flight crew, it was our pleasure to serve you this morning. We've enjoyed having you on board and look forward to the opportunity to serve you again soon. Thank you and have a very pleasant day.
Embraer. Então, esse é um hangar da Embraer, os aviões brasileiros da Embraer. favor. Esse avião vai levantar voo.
Doors for arrival, cross-check and all call.